We have our front door right here. It's a pretty long door actually. And then we're gonna turn. What we see is the bedroom, a little cove. Got a space right there. Then we have a closet right here. Irons in here, some bags, laundry bags, all that right here. Place probably for your shoes down here. Definitely a nice little paper. And then we're gonna come and turn. There's the hallway, but we have another spot right here. So many closets. Another closet, shoehorn, umbrella. I love when there's robes. We're at a resort, so of course we do. And then straight ahead is the open concept bathroom. Got a little thing for our towels, double vanity, water in here. This is Hyatt Regency stuff, but they have it here today. This is a Secrets bar, dental kit, comb. I have no idea what this is, but maybe for some jewelry. It's a place to sit and do your makeup or do your hair. And we come here, and I guess this is where our lights are. And this is our water closet. Nice long doors everywhere. We have a bow and a phone in here. It's cute. Then right here, we turn, you can see the room a little bit. Then we have our shower. Tall door, of course. Very, very long shower. We have our Hyatt Regency amenities again. Very cool. Double head. Wow. And we come over here, and this is the room. Got our bed right here. This is very big. Let's see, this is probably a mini fridge over here. It looks like a big mini fridge, if it is. Yeah, there's one in there. Complimentary juices, beer. Then we have something over here, snacks. Got a thing to order stuff. All these pillows, a nice chair over there. Sitting area, I love having a dedicated place to sit and relax. This room is very nice. And then we have a balcony, of course. And we got our balcony, and this is a very big balcony actually. Wow, it's long. You can do some exercises out here, all the way over there. And we have a full beach view, all this water.